Project 92. Thank you so much. Life goes on. Let's live on. Okay, let's remove it.
Yes.
These are the contents. Memories. It's a picture frame, you guys. And you will hold this like this. You will insert the picture here. And there you go. Oh my God! I'm so happy. So we have BTS Memories of 2019 with our Universe ARMY. And then from January to December. And then we have here RM, Suga, Jin, J-Hope, and we have also Jimin V and Jungkook. And we have the mini logo here at the bottom. Let's open for the first time.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes, I like opening.
Oh my god, it's magnet, guys. You see, can you hear that?
Yes.
Oh, first.
What is this? What is that?
So we have here. Oh
no
my
one!
god! Jean!
Jean. Tita M's like Jean. Diba?
Yeah, Tita M's bias is Jean. So we have Jean. Oh!
Oh! My crush Jimin.
They're so good looking.
Guys, I like crush Jimin.
Oh, it's
Jokers.
from their concert. Jimin.
What
And
is
then
that?
Jungkook. Memories of it. And then we
This
have
was-
here, this is from Boy With Love. And then we have V. And then BTS. Oh my god, they're like angels.
Angels?
Yeah, angels from heaven.
Yes.
Then this is RM from his
RM.
in persona. And this is Suga. Oh my god. This BTS again, and then J-Hope. So that's it. And then next we have here a book 2019 from January to December. So let's open.
Yes.
Let's see. So these are just pictures of them throughout the year with some captions. For example, this is from their MBC show Music Court on April 20, 2019. This is for the whole year. This is their comeback special. Armypedia. And for the main star tonight, this big binder, here it is. So for the cover, this is the group picture. So this for the next page, table of contents. Oh, so this is what they included for this binder. Their schedule last year. And then, oh, chapter 1, it's V. Oh, it's so thick.
Yes. Okay, guys.
So these are just pictures if you want to see them. I made another video for that. Let's move on to the... Oh, this is so nice. Let's proceed to the discs. So the disc, or the CD, are on the very last pages. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, So it's again BTS with ARMY. This is disc 1, the Los Angeles concert. Disc 2, part 2, and the making film. Disc 3, there's a lot. So this is the disc. Let me just, oh my god. This is the disc. It looks so good. Why is it? Oops, and this is the disc 4, this one, disc 5, also the last CD. And that's it, guys, for this video. Oh my god, a lot. Oops, I need to put it back.
Yes.
Oops, oops, my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Right?
Batch by batch, please.
Oh, look, guys. Not suitcase. Subscribe, like, and share.
That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.
Bye. There it comes out.